Among 2,200 prisoners who escaped there after August 5, 700 have not yet been arrested, and 11 top terrorists and 174 militants have been released on bail. Inspector General of Prisoners Brigadier General Motahar Hossain came up with this information at a press conference at Prisons Department this morning. At the time, the IGP of prison announced various plans for a total of 69 prisons in the country in the last 3 months. Later, in the response to various questions from reporters, he said that 11 top terrorists have been released from jail on bail after the student uprising. The Inspector General of Prisons also said the prison cells are building in the country's prison. Such undesirable incidents like PG hospitals will not happen again.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।